Hi my CD friends, I am here with an update. Cabin update number 3. And as promised, I'm not good at flipping the phone, so I thought I would just look in the mirror. So there you go, let's go inside. This is what the cabin looks like since we updated it and put in the countertops. Big improvement. Yes, we got a riding lawnmower today, so that's Sean cutting the grass. So here is our countertop. See if I can make that any smaller. We got a used countertop. It's perfect. Already had a sink in it, 2-bay sink. You can see we got some storage over here. It's perfect. We can store a whole bunch of stuff. And then works pretty good. This bowl here is our chicken bowl. That's where we keep all of our waste that we give to the chickens. Back there, that's our trash, dog food, storage, more storage underneath. That's our hot plate that we pull out, put out on the counter when we're gonna cook. And just like before when you wash the dishes, we're using the Primo with the gallon of water, 5 gallons of water. Hit the button, the water comes out. Pretty user friendly. And then there's a bucket under here that we empty. And yeah, we got the Berkey for clean water, the coffee maker. Got a great little card from my mom there. So I'll show you the rest of the cabin now. The refrigerator, way too much stuff up there. There's the chairs are still in the same spot. The bed, monstrous TV. Starting to get organized. Found some of our spices. There's some more spices. And I'll show you what the kitchen looks like. The cabin being updated with the countertop is amazing. We've actually made a pretty big decision, and we decided, hold on, before I tell you that, I don't want to wreck the surprise. We made one more improvement. We made, out of a cardboard box, we made an elevated feeder for Lovey so that she can doesn't have to eat on the ground since she's getting so tall. So one more look at our counter. Very nice. Those are just already made shelving units that are sitting on top. Bungee cords in front of it so we can dry our towels and kind of hide our stuff a little bit. And the big surprise that we have is, if you remember our storage unit out there, we are pivoting, and we are going to no longer have the storage unit, and we are going to get a second cabin, which I'll be uploading a picture of the second cabin. And this cabin is still going to have the chairs and the fridge and all the kitchen stuff, but the bed and the office, meaning Sean's desk and the bedroom, is all going to go to the other building. So we're going to separate our living space, and this space here, which is quite a large space from the windows all the way around, is going to be storage. So we're taking and we're going to be putting food, kitchen stuff, you know, toaster, air fryer, crock pot, all that kind of stuff is going to be over here. So this is going to be storage. And eventually we may take the chairs and the TV out of here and put a table and chairs in here and be able to cook in the kitchen and then sit and eat at a normal kitchen table, depending on how space works out. But yeah, there is cabin update 3, and I'd like to say this is the final update, but as you could probably already guess, seeing as how we're getting another cabin, it's going to change again. So that's that. On another note, we got a new riding lawnmower today. Sean's checking it out. Good job, Sean. Took down Lovey's fence so we can mow and clean everything up. And we also got, if you look over here, I didn't mention it before, we got a 1-car garage, and that's for storing stuff. So I'm sure Sean will do an update on that. We are full up on rainwater. It's been raining here for a couple days, and all of our stuff is full. So yeah, things are going good here at the pop-up homestead, and I thought I'd just give you a quick update. Sorry about the delay in uploading sooner, but we are having some issues with our internet. We are working on that. Going to be getting a booster. So talk to y'all soon. Love ya. Bye.